Very nice. Nice. Okay. Okay, take. Awesome. So, I'm going to talk about all of you. I need your attention. Hanu, what happened? Hanu, seriously, what happened, Hanu? Ayyo. The fish avatar. What do you call the fish in Hindi? Matsya. Very nice. Okay. Do you know the story about Matsya? You know? Okay. Keep quiet. I'm going to tell the story. Okay. Do you know who is Manu? Manu, do you know? Tell us Manu. King of? Okay, fine. So, this is a story about the Matsya avatar of Lord Vishnu. Okay, this is the story about the Matsya avatar, the fish avatar of Lord Vishnu. Okay, I hope all of you know Lord Vishnu. All of you? Yeah, all of you know Lord Vishnu, right? Okay. Okay, nice. Okay. So, Manu is believed to be the first human on earth. Manu was believed to be the first human on earth. Who was the first human on the earth? Manu. And he was doing his morning prayers in a river. Okay, he was doing his morning prayers in the river. When he heard a voice, "O King of the earth, save me from my enemy. Carry me with you." Okay, so there is some sound which is coming. Okay, there's some sound which is coming and it's like somebody pleading. Like, help me, King of earth. And guess who was it? Guess who was it? Yes, that was a fish in the river water. That was a fish, blue color fish in the river.
How come my fish stop?
Okay, now Manu took it out safely. Okay, he took it out safely and placed it in a jar of water back home. So he took the fish, Manu took the fish and took it home, put it in the jar of water. Okay? Okay, who took the fish? Manu? Who took the fish to home? Manu. Okay. Now, day by day, the fish grew bigger and bigger. First it was small, then it was this big, then it was this big, and then it grew like crazy. It was so big. Yeah, so big. It was like full. This thing. Bigger. Then the bottom size, right?
And when he kept it in the mud, it was big as a pond.
Yeah. So when finally the fish requested to Manu that, "King, please take me to the ocean," because then nothing else can keep the fish, right? It was becoming so big, nothing else could keep the fish. What could contain the fish? Only the ocean. Ocean was so big, right? Who has seen ocean? Raise your hands. Who has seen ocean? Nice. All of you have seen. I have seen ocean. And I love ocean. I love ocean. Then what happened? So Manu took the fish to the ocean, right? Some ocean, and at that time the fish said, "Manu, I am Matsya." The fish says, "I am Matsya." Vishnu's incarnation. Then the fish tells that I am Vishnu's incarnation. Are you? Then the fish tells, hello. The fish says, "Manu, I am." What was the fish? I am Matsya. I am Lord Vishnu's form. I am Lord Vishnu's avatar. Okay. She tells the king Manu. Soon there will be, and she tells King Manu, she tells an important thing. What she tells? She tells King Manu, there's going to be a very big flood. There's going to be a very big flood. What do? You get a big boat, right? And every species, like take one cow, take one dog, take one elephant, take one human being, take one scientist, and take one, all of them, because the world is going to drown in the flood. So you take one thing of everything, right? And take them in a boat and tie that boat to my nose. Tie that boat rope to my nose. That's what she said. Because the fish is big, right? It's Lord Vishnu's avatar. It will not be small, right? It will be very big. It is very huge. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, it's like you're riding a horse or cat, but it's more likely you're riding a boat in water.
Right. So wait, yes, exactly. Like the cart is carried by a horse on land. Similarly, Lord Vishnu's avatar Matsya holded this, rope in his mouth around his nose, and he carried the boat with all of the living creatures. And there was a huge flood. He rightly said, Matsya, Lord Matsya, rightly said, because there was a huge flood after that. Everything drowned, everything got into water, died. Only those who were in the boat, they survived. Yeah? So lot of people came on the boat. Lot of people got survived and Lord Matsya basically pulled the boat away. Yeah? And to a safe point where there was no water, where there was no flood. Water was there, but there was no flood. Okay. So, and in the boat, there were all sort of species from earth. There were also Vedas, which he saved. Vedas, grunts and everything he saved. And also Saptarishis, those sages which used to be there, no? Those also he took together because they are like, full of knowledge and other things. So he carried all the Saptarishis also in the boat. Yeah? And then Matsya said that I will carry you all to safety. And Manu followed Matsya's instructions because he was Lord Vishnu's avatar and reached all beings to safety from the great flood which happened. So this is now the story about why the Matsya avatar was born. Why the Matsya avatar was there. This was the purpose of the Matsya avatar, the fish avatar. I don't know. Manu survived now. That Manu was there for some time. And then of course, Manu's kids came and their kids came. Like it was like a generations after. So how was the story, guys? Did you like the story? All of you? Okay, great. Awesome. I know. But I think a lot of kids did not know about the story and hence I had to repeat this in front of so many. I'm sure a lot of kids already knew the story, but some of you did not. So I think it's a new thing to know, right? So what did you learn today? Which avatar we discussed today? Which avatar? Agu, which avatar? Natsya ni Matsya. Matsya. Which avatar? Loud. Matsya. Matsya avatar. And whose avatar was this? Whose avatar? Lord Vishnu. Who said Krishna? Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu. Okay, Lord Vishnu. Okay, great, awesome.